Welcome to Inspire Lead Hub. What do you do when suffering seems endless? When pain feels pointless and your weaknesses seem to worsen? Perhaps you've been hit hard financially, or maybe it's your kids, marriage, health, or another area of life. You're down, gasping for breath, unsure of what to do next. People ask how you are and you say fine, but inside, you're far from it. We all struggle, suffer, bleed, and cry. True strength is not about hiding weaknesses, it's about embracing them. You're going to feel depressed sometimes. There will be weeks when you don't feel like eating, when gravity feels extra heavy, and lifting a fork seems impossible. In those moments, you have a choice: give up or get up. You have to save your own life because no one else can do it for you. The universality of pain. We all struggle and hurt. It's okay to feel pain, it's a part of life. As much as I despise the lows of depression, I'm grateful for them. They've shown me the peaks and the light beyond the darkness. Life isn't always good or rosy, but it's worth living. When you fail, try again and again. Hold on to faith, because on the other side of pain lies something good. This moment is just the beginning, not the end. Your current circumstances are just a chapter in your life, not the whole book. You're not finished writing your story. Get busy living. As long as you have breath, you're still in the game, and if there's time left, you can still win. You might be in the darkest place right now, but don't give up, don't quit. Look at your situation from a new angle and see that beauty can come from darkness. Are you in a storm or just between two miracles? Transform your traumas and pain into a story of triumph. There's greatness on the other side of your darkness, joy beyond your pain. You have everything you need to make it through this storm. It won't take you out. You might be tired and hurting, but you're going to make it. Look in the mirror and tell yourself, I am a survivor. Speak life into your challenges and believe, I can get through this. I will get through this. I must get through this. Thank you for being here today. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share with friends who are going through some hard times and needs encouragement to get going.